Hey everyone, welcome back to day 14 of our 30 days of CCNA configuration series. And today we are going to learn how to configure DNS server in Cisco Packet Tracer. By the end of this video, you will be able to access a web server using domain name instead of an IP address. Here, as you can see, here's a simple topology with one router, one switch, and two PCs are connected to a switch with a web server. And first, we will configure router. Go to router, command line interface, enable, configuration terminal, interface G00, okay. IP address 172.116.10.1, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. So the router's interface is now configured. So in the step 2, we will configure DNS server. Okay, so click the DNS server here. Go to desktop, IP configuration, and configure 172.16.10.100. And default gateway is 172.16.10.1. We will add one more server as a web server. Okay. And 172.16.10.101. Now go to services and DNS. And here turn on this DNS services and name. So basically we are creating a DNS record. Name it www. For example, company.com. Address 172.16.10.101. And in the step 4, configure the web server. Go to desktop, IP configurations 172.16.10.101. Gateway will be 172.16.10.1. Go to services on HTTP. Make sure the services are on. So the web server is ready now. And next step is configure PC1. 172.16.10.10. Default gateway will be router's IP address. And DNS server 172.116.10.100. PC2. Now both PCs are configured, and in the last step, verifying the connectivity. Okay, so before testing DNS, let's verify connectivity. Open command prompt ping to the router 172.16.10.1. Let's see ping hota hai nahi. Yes, the pings are successful as you can see here. Now ping 172.16.10.100. Let's see a ping hota hai nahi. Yes, as you can see, the replies are coming back. This ping is successful. Now we will ping the web server. Ping 16.10.101. Yes, this ping is also work. Go to web browser. It will take some time to open it. Yes. Now in this address bar, you will type the DNS record we created before. We have www.company.com. Press enter. Go. Yes. So as you can see, web page hosted on the web server is open successfully. So this confirms that the DNS server has resolved the domain name to the correct IP address. And you can also check from ping www.company.com. See, that's it. In today's lab, we configured a DNS server, created a DNS record, enabled the HTTP service on the web server, and configured client PCs to use the DNS server, and verified successful name resolution using a domain name. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.